In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay traffic ticket online in Colorado State 2026. First, make sure you're on the correct official website. If your citation is a Colorado State penalty assessment, head to the Colorado DMV's Tickets and Penalty Assessments page. If your ticket was issued by a local court, city police, or a county sheriff, use the payment website printed on your citation. Many places in Colorado, like Jefferson County, Castle Rock, or the Englewood Municipal Court, run their own portals. Always use the link shown on your ticket so your payment is routed to the right case and to avoid look-alike sites. Don't panic if your ticket doesn't appear online right away. In Colorado, it can take 2 to 4 business days and sometimes up to 1 to 2 weeks for a new ticket to show up in the system. If you search and find nothing, give it a few days and try again. Keep an eye on any payment deadline listed on your ticket so you stay on track. When your ticket is available, you'll be asked for identifying details. Common fields include your citation or ticket number, your last name, your date of birth, your license plate number, and sometimes your driver's license information. Enter everything exactly as it appears on the ticket. Matching capitalization, hyphens, and any leading zeros can prevent search errors. Next, review the citation on screen. You should see the violation details, the fine amount, any court costs, the payment deadline, and whether point reductions apply. Colorado may reduce points on some speeding tickets if payment is made within a specified time window, so check those notes carefully before you proceed. If something looks off, pause and contact the issuing agency listed on your ticket for clarification. When it's time to pay, most Colorado online systems accept Visa, MasterCard, Discover, and debit cards. Some courts also allow e-check or bank payments. A convenience fee may be added by the court or the payment processor, and it's typically displayed before you finalize payment. Confirm the total so there are no surprises. After you submit payment, save your proof immediately. Take a screenshot or print the confirmation page and keep any receipt email you receive. Store that confirmation in a safe place tied to your citation number in case you ever need to show payment was completed. That's it. You've paid your Colorado traffic ticket online, quickly, securely, and with the right documentation for your records.